श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। नवमोऽध्यायः। ध्यानम् ॐ बन्धूककाञ्चन निभम्। बन्धूककाञ्चन निभम्। ओके, बन्धूककाञ्चन निभम् रुचिराक्षमालाम्. What is like, Bandhuka is a flower's name. I think we have learnt it in Bandhuka Kusumapriya and Lalita Sahasranamam. I will explain it when we have to see it on Thursday. So Kanchana is gold. Kanchana Nibam. It is the mishram of both gold and red. Ruchi, that kind of a Ruchi means complexion. Her composition is like Bandhuka Kanchana Nibam Ruchihi Akshamalam. That is how it is split. Whatever she is now, her complexion first. Bandhuka Kanchana Nibam is her complexion. Akshamalam is what she is holding in her hand. Okay. Bandhuka Kanchana Nibam Ruchiraksamalam. Pashankushau cha varadham. Nijabahu dandaihi. Pashankushau cha varadham nijabahu dandaihi. Om Bandhuka Kanchana Nibham Ruchiraksamalam Pashankushau cha varadham nijabahu dandaihi. Om Bandhuka Kanchana Nibham Ruchiraksamalam Pashankushau cha varadham nijabahu dandaihi. Om Bandhuka Kanchana Nibham Ruchiraksamalam Pashankushau cha varadham nijabahu dandaihi. Next line. Bibranam Indu Shakalabharanam. Indu Shakalabharanam. Okay. Bibranam Indu. When you combine it, Bibranam Indu. Bibranam Indu Shakalabharanam Trinetram. It becomes because Ardhambigesha, that what comes in the next line is first start. Okay. Bibranam Indu Shakalabharanam Trunetram. Bibranam Indu Shakalabharanam Trunetram. Bibranam Indu Shakalabharanam Trunetram. Ardhambikeshamanisham Vapurashrayami Ardhambukeshamanisham Vapurashrayami. Bibranam Indu Shakalabharanam Trunetram. Ardhambikeshamanisham Vapurashrayami. Bibranam Indu Shakalabharanam Trunetram. Ardhambikeshamanisham Vapurashrayami. Bibranam Indu Shakalabharanam Trunetram. पाशाङ्कुशौ च वरदां निजबाहुदण्डैः बिभ्राणमिन्दुशकलाभरणं त्रिनेत्रमर्ताम्बिकेशमनिशं वपुराश्रयामि।
रुचिराक्षमालां पाशाङ्कुशौ च वरदां निजबाहुदण्डैः बिभ्राणमिन्दुशकलाभरणं त्रिनेत्रम् अर्ताम्बिकेशमनिशं वपुराश्रयामि। ॐ बन्धूककाञ्चननिभं रुचिराक्षमालां पाशाङ्कुशौ च वरदां निजबाहुदण्डैः बिभ्राणमिन्दुशकलाभरणं त्रिनेत्रम् अर्ताम्बिकेशमनिशं वपुराश्रयामि।
ॐ राजोवाच विचित्रमिदमाख्यातम् भगवन् भवता मम विचित्रमिदमाख्यातं भगवन् भवता मम देव्याश्चरितमाहात्म्यम् रक्तबीजवदाश्रितम् देव्याश्चरितमाहात्म्यम् रक्तबीजवदाश्रितम् विचित्रमिदमाख्यातं भगवन् भवता मम देव्याश्चरितमाहात्म्यं रक्तबीजवदाश्रितम्
विचित्रमिदमाख्यातं भगवन् भवता मम देव्याश्चरितमाहात्म्यं रक्तबीजवदाश्रितम् विचित्रमिदमाख्यातं भगवन् भवता मम देव्याश्चरितमाहात्म्यं रक्तबीजवदाश्रितम्.
The next word, bhuyascha-chamyaham. It is bhuyascha-icchamyaham. It is actually bhuyascha-icchamyaham. With the sandhi, it comes as bhuyascha-chamyaham. Okay? Bhuyascha-chamyaham shrotum.
Bhuyascha-chamyaham shrotum. Bhuyascha-chamyaham shrotum.
Raktabije nipatite.
Raktabije nipatite. Raktabije nipatite.
Bhuyascha-chamyaham shrotum. Raktabije nipatite.
Bhuyascha-chamyaham shrotum. Raktabije nipatite. Bhuyascha-chamyaham shrotum. Raktabije nipatite.
Chakara Shumbho Yatkarma.
Chakara Shumbho Yatkarma.
Shumbho, not Shambho. Chakara Shumbho Yatkarma.
Chakara Shumbho Yatkarma. Chakara Shumbho Yatkarma.
Nishumbhaschadikopanah.
Nishumbhaschadikopanah. Nishumbhaschadikopanah.
Chakara Shumbho Yatkarma. Nishumbhaschadikopanah.
Chakara Shumbho Yatkarma. Nishumbhaschadikopanah. Chakara Shumbho Yatkarma. Nishumbhaschadikopanah.
भूयश्चेचाम्यहं श्रोतुं रक्तबीजे निपातिते चकार शुम्भो यत्कर्म निशुम्भश्चातिकोपनः
भूयश्चेच्छाम्यहं श्रोतुं रक्तबीजे निपातिते चकार शुम्भो यत्कर्म निशुम्भश्चातिकोपनः भूयश्चेच्छाम्यहं श्रोतुं रक्तबीजे निपातिते चकार शुम्भो यत्कर्म निशुम्भश्चातिकोपनः.
You say this dhyanam and these two lines, we will go to the next page. Dhyanam Om Bandhukakancananibham Ruchiraksamalam Pashankushau cha varadam Nijabahudandaihi Bibhranamindushakalabharanam Trinetram Ardhambikeshamanisham Vapurashrayami Om Rajo Vacha Vichitramidamakhyatam Bhagavan Bhavata Mama Devyashcharitamahatmyam Raktabijavadashritam Bhuyaschechamyaham Shrotum Raktabije Nipatite Chakara Shumbho Yatkarma Nishumbhaschatikopanah. Raja is really fascinated by how Raktabija was killed. So he wanted to know further, like how it made Shumbha and Nishumbha, his death, or however he was killed, how it made Shumbha and Nishumbha angry, how it affected them. So Rishi now continues with the story. Rishiruvacha Chakarakopamatulam Raktabije Nipatite Chakarakopamatulam Raktabije Nipatite Shumbhasuro Nishumbhascha Hateshvanyeshu chahave Shumbhasuro Nishumbhascha Hateshvanyeshu chahave Chakarakopamatulam Raktabije Nipatite Shumbhasuro Nishumbhascha Hateshvanyeshu chahave
Chakarakopamatulam Raktabije Nipatite Shumbhasuro Nishumbhascha Hateshvanyeshu chahave.
Is it Hateshvanyeshu or
Anyeshu. What happened? The rest of the army, what they see is not only the death of Raktabija, the rest of the army getting completely thrashed. So they got angry. Atulam means something that you cannot comprehend, that is beyond your, is very, very upset about this. Hanyamanam mahasainyam विलोक्यामर्षमुद्वहन्
विलोक्यामर्षमुद्वहन् विलोक्यामर्षमुद्वहन्
विलोक्याम अर्षम उद्वहन्. Okay. हन्यमानं महासैन्यं विलोक्यामर्षमुद्वहन्
हन्यमानं महासैन्यं विलोक्यामर्षमुद्वहन् हन्यमानं महासैन्यं विलोक्यामर्षमुद्वहन्
अभ्यधावन् निशुम्भोऽथ
अभ्यधावन् निशुम्भोऽथ अभ्यधावन् निशुम्भोऽथ
मुख्यया सुरसेनया
मुख्यया सुरसेनया मुख्यया सुरसेनया
अभ्यधावन् निशुम्भोऽथ मुख्यया सुरसेनया
अभ्यधावन् निशुम्भोऽथ मुख्यया सुरसेनया अभ्यधावन् निशुम्भोऽथ मुख्यया सुरसेनया
हन्यमानं महासैन्यं विलोक्यामर्षमुद्वहन् अभ्यधावन् निशुम्भोऽथ मुख्यया सुरसेनया
हन्यमानं महासैन्यं विलोक्यामर्षमुद्वहन् अभ्यधावन् निशुम्भोऽथ मुख्यया सुरसेनया हन्यमानं महासैन्यं विलोक्यामर्षमुद्वहन् अभ्यधावन् निशुम्भोऽथ मुख्यया सुरसेनया
तस्याग्रतस्तथा पृष्ठे
तस्याग्रतस्तथा पृष्ठे तस्याग्रतस्तथा पृष्ठे
पार्श्वयोश्च महासुराः
पार्श्वयोश्च महासुराः पार्श्वयोश्च महासुराः
तस्याग्रतस्तथा पृष्ठे पार्श्वयोश्च महासुराः
तस्याग्रतस्तथा पृष्ठे पार्श्वयोश्च महासुराः तस्याग्रतस्तथा पृष्ठे पार्श्वयोश्च महासुराः
सन्दष्टौष्टपुटा क्रुद्धा
सन्दष्टौष्टपुटा क्रुद्धा सन्दष्टौष्टपुटा क्रुद्धा
Aushta means, lips. No, both the lips. Uttaraushte means upper lip. So, both the lips here, they are compressing their lips in anger, like, to attack her. He is surrounded by all his very valiant army around him. They are all like, so angry because so much of destruction has been done by her. All the great warriors and the asuras are all killed. So they were so angry, they were just biting their lips and moving forward to kill her. Sandashtaushtaputa kruddha.
Sandashtaushtaputa kruddha. Sandashtaushtaputa kruddha.
Hantum devi mupayayuhu.
Hantum devi mupayayuhu. Hantum devi mupayayuhu.
Sandashtaushtaputa kruddha. Hantum devi mupayayuhu.
Sandashtaushtaputa kruddha. Hantum devi mupayayuhu. Sandashtaushtaputa kruddha. Hantum devi mupayayuhu.
तस्याग्रतस्तथा पृष्ठे पार्श्वयोश्च महासुराः सन्दष्टौष्टपुटा क्रुद्धा हन्तुं देवीमुपाययुः.
तस्याग्रतस्तथा पृष्ठे पार्श्वयोश्च महासुराः सन्दष्टौष्टपुटा क्रुद्धा हन्तुं देवीमुपाययुः तस्याग्रतस्तथा पृष्ठे पार्श्वयोश्च महासुराः सन्दष्टौष्टपुटा क्रुद्धा हन्तुं देवीमुपाययुः
आजगाम महावीर्यः शुम्भोऽपि स्वबलैर्वृतः आजगाम महावीर्यः शुम्भोऽपि स्वबलैर्वृतः निहन्तुं चण्डिकां कोपात् कृत्वा युद्धं तु मातृभिः निहन्तुं चण्डिकां कोपात् कृत्वा युद्धं तु मातृभिः
निहन्तुं चण्डिकां कोपात् कृत्वा युद्धं तु मातृभिः निहन्तुं चण्डिकां कोपात् कृत्वा युद्धं तु मातृभिः
आजगाम महावीर्यः शुम्भोऽपि स्वबलैर्वृतः निहन्तुं चण्डिकां कोपात् कृत्वा युद्धं मातृभिः
निहन्तुं चण्डिकां कोपात् कृत्वा युद्धं तु मातृभिः आजगाम महावीर्यः शुम्भोऽपि स्वबलैर्वृतः निहन्तुं चण्डिकां कोपात् कृत्वा युद्धं तु मातृभिः
ततो युद्धमतीवासेत् देव्या शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः ततो युद्धमतीवासीत् देव्या शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः शरवर्षमतीवोग्रम् मेघयोरिव वर्षतोः शरवर्षमतीवोग्रम् मेघयोरिव वर्षतोः ततो युद्धमतीवासीत् देव्या शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः शरवर्षमतीवोग्रम् मेघयोरिव वर्षतोः
ततो युद्धमतीवासीत् देव्या शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः शरवर्षमतीवोग्रम् मेघयोरिव वर्षतोः
Next line. Chichedas tan chara, that is actually sharam sthabhyam. Shara means bana, that arrows. arrows. Chichedastam charam tabhyam. So, how it is pronounced? Chichedastam charam stabhyam. Chichedastam charam stabhyam. Okay? Split it like that. Chichedas, tams, charams, tam. See, these two are raining arrows at her. To how she reacts to that. So whatever the arrows that is coming towards her, so she chicheda, she breaks it. She destroys it. Chicheda tams, the arrows that is coming towards her, she breaks it. Okay? So that is what is Chandika Swasharotkaraihi. With her own arrow, she breaks the incoming arrows aimed at her. So Chicheda means breaking it, destroying it. So Chichedas tams charams tabhyam. Chichedas tams chara tan, that is only like, because tam it will not come. Tan chara stabhyam. Okay. Chichedas tan charam stabhyam.
Chichedas tan charam stabhyam. Chichedas tan charam stabhyam.
Charam, no?
Charam. Sharam will be charam here.
Charam.
Yeah, sharam, because the sandhi comes as inch. Inch comes.
Cha only, no?
Huh? Yeah. No, first inch, then inch. Nya. Yeah. Inch. Tan chara. Not ta chara. Ta chara, no. Tan chara. Inch. நம்ம வந்து ஞான்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல, ஞானம்னு சொல்றதுக்கு இஞ் ஞா ஞா. Chichedastan charam stabhyam.
Chichedastam charam stabhyam. Chichedastam charam stabhyam.
Chandika swasharotkaraihi.
Chandika swasharotkaraihi. Chandika swasharotkaraihi.
Chichedastan charam stabhyam. Chandika swasharotkaraihi.
Chichedastam charam stabhyam. Chandika swasharotkaraihi. Chichedastam charam stabhyam. Chandika swasharotkaraihi.
Tadayamasa changeshu.
Tadayamasa changeshu. Tadayamasa changeshu.
Next line, next word is Shastraughair Asureshwarau. Shastraughair Asureshwarau. Okay? Shastraughair Asureshwarau.
Shastraughair Asureshwarau. Shastraughair Asureshwarau.
Tadayamasa changeshu. Shastraughair Asureshwarau.
Tadayamasa changeshu. Shastraughair Asureshwarau. Tadayamasa changeshu. Shastraughair Asureshwarau.
She not only destroys the arrows, she hits them with the arrows, also hit them. Sa angeshu, cha angeshu, changeshu. Okay? Chichedastan charam stabhyam. Chandika swasarotkaraihi. Tadayamasa changeshu. Shastraughair Asureshwarau.
Chichedastam charam stabhyam. Chandika swasharotkaraihi. Tadayamasa changeshu. Shastraughair Asureshwarau.
No problem. Asureshwarau. Okay. Chichedastam charam
stabhyam. Chandika swasharotkaraihi. Tadayamasa changeshu.
like this page. Okay. Rushiruvacha Chakarakopamatulam Raktabije Nipatite Shumbasuro Nishumbascha Hateshvanyeshu Chahave Hanyamanam Mahasainyam Vilokyamarsham Abhyadavan Nishumbota Mukyaya Surasenaya Tasyagrastastatha Prushte Pashvayoscha Mahasuraha Sandashtaushtaputa Kruddha Hantum Devi Mupayayuhu Ajagama Mahavirya Shumbo Pisvabalairvrtaha Nihantum Chandikam Kopat Krutva Yuddham Tumatrubihi Tado Yuddhamati Vasidhevya Shumbani Shumbayoho Sharavarshamati Vogram Megayoriva Varshatoho Chichedastancharam Stabhyam Chandika Swasharotkaraihi Tadayamasa Changeshu Shastrau Gairasureshwarau. Clear? Nishumbho Nishitam Khadgam
Nishumbho Nishitam Khadgam Nishumbho Nishitam Khadgam
Charma Chadhaya Suprabham
Charma Chadaya Suprabham Charma Chadaya Suprabham
Nishumbho Nihitam Khadgam Nishumbho Nishitam Khadgam Charma Chadhaya Suprabham
Nishumbho Nishitam Khadgam Charma Chadaya Suprabham Nishumbho Nishitam Khadgam Charma Chadaya Suprabham.
Because now his bow is gone, she broke it. He takes his sword and the shield. Charma is shield. Sword and the shield he takes in his hand. Next one, Nishumbha. Adhadayan murdhni simham
Atadayan murdhi simham. Atadayan murdhi simham.
He goes and hits at the head of the simha. Devya vahanamuttamam
Devya Vahanamuttamam Devya Vahanamuttamam
Adhadayan murdhni simham Devya vahanamuttamam.
Atadayan murdhi simham.
Slowly. Adhadayan murdhni simham
Atadayan Murdhi Simham Devya Vahanamuttamam Atadayan Murdhi Simham Devya Vahanamuttamam
Nishumbho Nishitam Khadgam Charma Chadaya Suprabham Athadayan Murdhni Simham Devya Vahanamuttamam.
Nishumbho Nishitam Khadgam Charma Chadaya Suprabham Atadayan Murdhi Simham Devya Vahanamuttamam Nishumbho Nishitam Khadgam Charma Chadaya Suprabham Atadayan Murdhi Simham Devya Vahanamuttamam
Tadite Vahane Devi
Tadite Vahane Devi Tadite Vahane Devi
Kshuraprenasi Muttamam
Shuraprenasi Muttamam Shuraprenasi Muttamam
Tadite Vahane Devi Kshuraprenasi Muttamam.
Tadite Vahane Devi Shuraprenasi Muttamam Tadite Vahane Devi Shuraprenasi Muttamam.
So now Devi reacts. So what she does, she breaks both his shield and the sword. His shield has got a very unique this thing, like 8 moons are in the shield. Like 8 moons are embedded in the shield, not like the figurines. They are glowing one. He has got his unique shield in his hand with 8 moons engraved in that. Okay. That is what he says. Nishumbhasyashu chicheda.
Nishumbhasyashu chicheda. Nishumbhasyashu chicheda.
Charma chapyashta chandrakam.
Charma chapyashta chandrakam. Charma chapyashta chandrakam.
Ashtachandrakam, 8 moons are engraved in that. Okay, it is shining. Okay. Nishumbhasyashu chicheda charma chapyashta chandrakam.
Nishumbhasyashu chicheda charma chapyashta chandrakam. Nishumbhasyashu chicheda charma chapyashta chandrakam.
Tadite vagane devi kshurapreenasi muttamam. Nishumbhasyashu chicheda charma chapyashta chandrakam.
Tadite vahane devi kshurapreenasi muttamam. Nishumbhasyashu chicheda charma chapyashta chandrakam. Tadite vahane devi kshurapreenasi muttamam. Nishumbhasyashu chicheda charma chapyashta chandrakam.
After the sword and the shield gone, he takes Shakti, a spear in his hand. Okay. Chinne charmani khadge cha.
Chinne charmani khadge cha. Chinne charmani khadge cha.
Shaktim chikshepaso surah.
Shaktim chikshepaso surah. Shaktim chikshepaso surah.
Chinne charmani khadge cha. Shaktim chikshepaso surah.
Chinne charmani khadge cha. Shaktim chikshepaso surah. Chinne charmani khadge cha. Shaktim chikshepaso surah.
Tamapyasya dvidha chakre.
Tamapyasya dvidha chakre. Tamapyasya dvidha chakre.
Chakre nabhimukha gatham.
Chakrenabhimukha gatam. Chakrenabhimukha gatam.
She splits it into 2 with her chakram that she is having. The spear that is aimed at her, it is split into 2. She also hits back with the chakram. Tamapyasya dvidha chakre. Chakre nabhimukha gadam.
Tamapyasya dvidha chakre. Chakrenabhimukha gatam.
Tamapyasya dvidha chakre. Chakrenabhimukha gatam.
Chinne charmani khadge cha. Shaktim chikshepaso surah. Tamapyasya dvidha chakre. Chakre nabhimukha gatham.
Chinne charmani khadge cha. Shaktim chikshepaso surah. Tamapyasya dvidha chakre. Chakrenabhimukha gatam. Chinne charmani khadge cha. Shaktim chikshepaso surah. Tamapyasya dvidha chakre. Chakrenabhimukha gatam.
Kopadmato nishumbhotha.
Kopadmato nishumbhotha. Kopadmato nishumbhotha.
Now he takes Shulam in his hand. Shulam jagraha danavaha.
Shulam jagraha danavaha. Shulam jagraha danavaha.
Whenever he takes different weapons, her reaction is also different. Each one, like it. They are not the same. If you see so, like she gives it different ways she destroys it. She doesn't follow the same method of destruction. Kophatmato nishumbotha shulam jagraha danavaha.
Kophatmato nishumbotha shulam jagraha danavaha. Kophatmato nishumbotha shulam jagraha danavaha.
Ayatam mushtipatena.
Ayatam mushtipatena. Ayatam mushtipatena.
Devi tachapya churnayat.
Devi tachapya churnayat. Devi tachapya churnayat.
So the shulam, she hits it with her fist and it becomes like, powdered, everything. Churnayat. Ayatam mushtipatena Devi tachapya churnayat.
Ayatam mushtipatena Devi tachapya churnayat. Ayatam mushtipatena Devi tachapya churnayat.
Kopadmato nishumbhota shulam jagraha danavaha. Ayatam mushtipatena Devi tachapya churnayat.
Kopatmato nishumbhota shulam jagraha danavaha. Ayatam mushtipatena Devi tachapya churnayat. Kopatmato nishumbhota shulam jagraha danavaha. Ayatam mushtipatena Devi tachapya churnayat.
So now he takes gada. Okay. Avidyata gadam sopi.
Avidyata gadam sopi. Avidyata gadam sopi.
Chikshepa chandikam prati.
Chikshepa chandikam prati. Chikshepa chandikam prati.
Avidyata gadam sopi. Chikshepa chandikam prati.
Avidyata gadam sopi. Chikshepa chandikam prati. Avidyata gadam sopi. Chikshepa chandikam prati.
Sapi devya trishulena.
Sapi devya trishulena. Sapi devya trishulena.
She not only splits it into bhinna, she not only breaks it, basmat, everything becomes ashes with her trishula. Bhinna basmatvamagata. Bhinna basmatvamagata.
Bhinna basmatvamagata. Bhinna basmatvamagata.
Sapi devya trishulena. Bhinna basmatvamagata.
Sapi devya trishulena. Bhinna basmatvamagata. Sapi devya trishulena. Bhinna basmatvamagata.
Avidyata gadam sopi. Chikshepa chandikam prati. Sapi devya trishulena. Bhinna basmatvamagata.
Avidyata gadam sopi. Chikshepa chandikam prati. Sapi devya trishulena. Bhinna basmatvamagata. Avidyata gadam sopi. Chikshepa chandikam prati. Sapi devya trishulena. Bhinna basmatvamagata.
Tata parashuhastam.
Tatah parashuhastam.
Okay. Tamayantam daityapungavam.
Tamayantam daityapumgavam. Tamayantam daityapumgavam.
Tatah parashuhastam tamayantam daityapungavam.
Tatah parashuhastam tam
You want to split it like that, like Tatah parashuhastam tam ayantam daityapungavam. That is good, no? Yeah. Tam ayantam. Tatah parashuhastam tam ayantam daityapungavam.
Tadah parashuhastam tam ayantam daityapungavam. Tadah parashuhastam tam ayantam daityapungavam.
Ahatya devi banaugair.
Ahatya devi banaugair. Ahatya devi banaugair.
Banaugair.
Banaugair. Banaugair.
Apatayatha bhutale.
Apadayata bhutale. Apadayata bhutale.
So what does it mean? Patayata means falling down. Apatayata means being forced to fall down. Like, it doesn't, not pushing. By Saraukai, the Banaugai, she is sending only the arrows. The arrows made him fall down. Like, you have to understand, not just falling down. The arrows that she aimed at him made him fall down. Okay? Apatita. That is, apatayata is that. Okay? That Banaugai apatayata bhutale. Bhutale is falling down on the earth. Okay? Flow. Ahatya devi banaugai rapatayata bhutale.
Ahatya devi banaugai.
Ahatya devi banaugai rapatayata bhutale.
Ahatya devi banaugai.
Devi dirgham. Ahatya devi banaugai rapatayata bhutale.
Ahatya devi banaugai rapatayata bhutale. Ahatya devi banaugai rapatayata bhutale.
Tatah parashuhastam tam ayantam daityapungavam. Ahatya devi banaugai rapatayata bhutale.
Tatah parashuhastam tam ayantam daityapungavam. Ahatya devi banaugai rapatayata bhutale. Tatah parashuhastam tam ayantam daityapungavam. Ahatya devi banaugai rapatayata bhutale.
We will say this page. Okay. Nishumbho nishitam kadgham charma chadhaya suprabham atadayan murdhni simham devya vahanamuttamam tadite vahane devi shuraprenasi muttamam nishumbhasyashu chicheda charma chapyashta chandrakam chinne charmani khadge cha shaktim chikshepaso surah tamapyasya dvita chakre chakre napi mukaghatam kobhatmato nishumbhota shulam jagrahadanavah आयातं मुष्टिपातेन देवी तच्चाप्यचूर्णयत् आविद्यात गतां सोऽपि चिक्षेपचण्डिकां प्रति सापि देव्या त्रिशूलेन भिन्ना भस्मत्वमागता ततः परशुहस्तं तम् आयान्तं दैत्यपुङ्गवम् आहत्य देवी बाणौगे प्रपातयत भूतले. So now Nishumbha is fallen down, fainted. He is not killed. You have to understand, he is only fainted. Tasmin nipatite bhumau.
Tasmin nipatite bhumau. निपतिते भूमौ
निशुम्भे भीमविक्रमे
निशुम्भे भीमविक्रमे निशुम्भे भीमविक्रमे
तस्मिन् निपतिते भूमौ निशुम्भे भीमविक्रमे
तस्मिन् निपतिते भूमौ निशुम्भे भीमविक्रमे तस्मिन् निपतिते भूमौ निशुम्भे भीमविक्रमे.
So Shumba is not now keeping quiet. When his brother has fallen down, he rushes towards Ambika to fight against. Okay. Bhradharyativ sangruddha
Bhrataryativ sankruddha Bhrataryativ sankruddha
Prayau sangruddha prayau. Okay. Bhradharyativ sangruddha prayau hantumambikam.
Bhrataryativ sankruddha prayau hantumambikam Bhrataryativ sankruddha prayau hantumambikam
तस्मिन् निपतिते भूमौ निशुम्भे भीमविक्रमे भ्रातर्यतीव संक्रुद्ध प्रययौ हन्तुमम्बिकाम्.
तस्मिन् निपतिते भूमौ निशुम्भे भीमविक्रमे भ्रातर्यतीव संक्रुद्धः प्रलयौ हन्तुमम्बिकाम्. तस्मिन्
निपतिते, not nipatite. तस्मिन् निपतिते भूमौ
निशुम्भे भीमविक्रमे
यतीव संक्रुद्धः प्रययौ हन्तुमम्बिकाम्. भ्रातर्यतीव भ्रातर् आमा भ्रातर् यतीव अतीव संकृत. He is extremely angry because his brother has fallen down, fainted and fallen down. Shumba is. Now the next word. Now I will split it and say, then we will recite. Okay. Rathastas tathat yuchair Gruhita paramayudaihi. Rathastas tathat yuchair Gruhita paramayudaihi. You want me to repeat it? Rathastas tathat yuchair Gruhita paramayudaihi. All these words are put in one go, like how she says, like why everything they had to correct. Yeah. Saratastas tathat yuchair tathat yuchair Saratastas tathat yuchair tathat yuchair. Not plainly tathat. Each one say different because Saratastas tathat yuchair. Not tathat yuchair. Yeah. Yuchair. Okay.
First is sa we can so is separate, yeah.
First rathastas. Rathas. Sa rathastas.
That's also we have to do.
Yes, of course. Sa rathastas tathat yuchair.
Saratastas tathat yuchair
Gruhita paramayudaihi.
Gruhita paramayudaihi
Saratastas tathat yuchair Gruhita paramayudaihi.
Saratastas tathat yuchair Gruhita paramayudaihi Saratastas tathat yuchair Gruhita paramayudaihi
Now, next word, we will split it first and then we will recite. Bhujair ashtabhir atulair vyapya sesham. So he takes 8 hands. Bhujair ashtabhir. Shumba comes with 8 hands. Atulair vyapya asesham. Asesham means completely filled without leaving any gap. Asesham babhau nabaha means he is standing like a huge Virat Rupam, like he's huge with 8 hands from ground to the sky, filling the entire thing. He's huge. Entire space he has filled. So, Bhujair ashtabhir atulair vyapya sesham. Asesham vyapya asesham becomes vyapya sesham. Okay? Bhujair ashtabhir atulair vyapya sesham. Got it correct? Okay? Bhujair ashtabhir atulair vyapya sesham babhau nabah.
Vyapya shesham bhabhau nabah. Vyapya shesham bhabhau nabah.
Bhujair ashtabhir atulair vyapya sesham babhau nabah.
Bhujair ashtabhir atulair vyapya shesham bhabhau nabah. Bhujair ashtabhir atulair vyapya shesham bhabhau nabah.
Saratastastataptyuchair gruhita paramayudaihi bhujair ashtabhiratulam atulai. Sorry. I will repeat it again. Saratastastataptyuchair gruhita paramayudaihi bhujair ashtabhiratulair vyapya sesham babhau nabah. Saratastas tatatyuchai gruhita paramayudaihi bhujairashtabhiratulair vyapya sesham babhau nabah.
Saratastatatayuchai gruhita paramayudaihi bhujairashtabhiratulair
vyapya sesham babhau nabah.
Vyapya shesham babhau nabah. Vyapya shesham babhau nabah.
You want to repeat it one more time? Better.
Yeah.
No problem. Saratastatatayuchair gruhita paramayudaihi bhujairashtabhiratulair vyapya sesham babhau nabah.
Saratastatatayuchai gruhita paramayudaihi bhujairashtabhiratulair vyapya shesham babhau nabah.
Okay. Tamayantam samalokya Devi Shankamavadayat. So Devi now blows her, she is ready to come for the comeback. So she blows her Shankam. Tamayantam samalokya Devi Shankamavadayat.
Tamayantam samalokya Devi Shankamavadayat. Tamayantam samalokya Devi Shankamavadayat.
Jyashabdham chapi danushas. Jya Shabdham is the echo. Jya Shabdham chapi dhanushas. Slowly. Jya Shabdham chapi dhanushas.
Jya Shabdam chapi dhanushas. Jya Shabdam chapi dhanushas.
Chakarativa dussaham.
Chakarativa dussaham. Chakarativa dussaham.
The echo of the resonance of her bow. Jya Shabdam is the echo of the resonance of the bow was everywhere, and it was draining everybody, sapping everybody of their energy. That is what. Jya Shabdam chapi dhanushas chakrativa dussaham. Chakarativa dussaham.
Jya Shabdam chapi dhanushas chakarativa dussaham. Jya Shabdam chapi dhanushas chakarativa dussaham.
Tamayantam samalokya devi shankamavadayat. Jya Shabdam chapi dhanushas chakarativa dussaham.
Tamayantam samalokya devi shankamavadayat. Jya Shabdam chapi dhanushas chakarativa dussaham. Tamayantam samalokya devi shankamavadayat. Jya Shabdam chapi dhanushas chakarativa dussaham.
That is not enough. She is ringing her bell, Nijaganta. She is the bell. Everything, the sounds are like, that is what Tejo Vada Vidhayita. Tejo Vada, their entire energy gets completely drained with these three sounds: Shankam, Dhanush and Ganta. Okay. Purayamasa Kakubo.
Purayamasa kakubo. Purayamasa kakubo.
Nijaganta Svanena cha.
Nijaganta svanena cha. Nijaganta svanena cha.
Purayamasa Kakubo. Nijaganta Svanena cha.
Purayamasa kakubo. Nijaganta svanena cha. Purayamasa kakubo. Nijaganta svanena cha.
Samasta Daitya Sainyanam.
Samasta daitya sainyanam. Samasta daitya sainyanam.
Tejo Vadha Vidhayita.
Tejo vadha vidhayina. Tejo vadha vidhayina.
Samasta Daitya Sainyanam. Tejo Vadha Vidhayinam.
Samasta daitya sainyanam. Tejo vadha vidhayina. Samasta daitya sainyanam. Tejo vadha vidhayina.
Purayamasa Kakubo. Nijaganta Svanena cha. Samasta Daitya Sainyanam. Tejo Vadha Vidhayinam.
Purayamasa kakubo. Nijaganta svanena cha. Samasta daitya sainyanam. Tejo vadha vidhayina. Purayamasa kakubo. Nijaganta svanena cha. Samasta daitya sainyanam. Tejo vadha vidhayina.
I think we will stop with this because there is only 21 more which we can finish it in the next class, because this is a little difficult one. The last part we will say it and then recite the entire one. Okay? Tasmin nipatite bhumau nishumbe bhima vikrame bhrataryativa sangruddha prayayo handumambikam Saratastastatyuchai Gruhita Paramayudai Bhujairashta Viratulair Vyapya Sesham Babau Nabah Tamayantam Samalokya देवी शङ्खमदावयत् ज्याशब्दं चापि धनुषश्चकारातीव दुस्सहम् पूरयामास ककुभो निजघण्टास्वनेन च समस्तदैत्यसैन्यानां तेजो वदविदायिना. We'll recite now. नवमोऽध्यायः ध्यानम्. ॐ बन्धूककाञ्चननिभं रुचिराक्षमालां पाशाकुशौ च वरदां निजबाहुदण्डैः बिभ्राणमिन्दुशकलाभरणं त्रिनेत्रम् अर्धाम्बिकेशमनिशं वपुराश्रयामि. ॐ राजोवाच विचित्रमिदमाख्यातं भगवन् भवता मम देव्याश्चरितमाहात्म्यं रक्तबीजवदाश्रितं भूयश्चेच्छाम्यहं श्रोतुं रक्तबीजे निपातिते चकार शुम्भो यत्कर्म निशुम्भश्चातिकोपनः. ऋषिरुवाच चकारकोपमतुलं रक्तबीजे निपातिते शुम्भासुरो निशुम्भश्च हतेष्वन्येषु चाहवे हन्यमानं महासैन्यं विलोक्यामर्षमुद्वहन् अभ्यधावन् निशुम्भोऽथ मुख्यया सुरसेनया तस्याग्रदस्तथा पृष्ठे पार्श्वयोश्च महासुराः सन्दष्टौष्टपुटा क्रुद्ध्वा हन्तुं देवीमुपाययुः आजगाम महावीर्यः शुम्भोऽपि स्वबलैर्वृतः निहन्तुं चण्डिकां कोपात् कृत्वा युद्धं तु मातृभिः ततो युद्धमतीवासीत् देव्या शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः शरवर्षमतीवोग्रं मेघयोरिव वर्षतोः चिच्छेदास्ताञ्चरास्ताभ्यां चण्डिका स्वशरौत्करैः ताडयामास चाङ्गेषु शस्त्रौघैरसुरेश्वरौ निशुम्भो निशितं खड्गं चर्मचादाय सुप्रभम् अदाडयन्मूर्ध्नि सिंहं देव्या वाहनमुत्तमम् ताडिते वाहने देवी क्षुरप्रेणासिमुत्तमम् निशुम्भस्याशु चिच्छेद चर्मचाप्यष्टचन्द्रकम् चिह्ने चर्मणि खड्गे च शक्तिं चिक्षेपसोऽसुरः तामप्यस्य द्विता चक्रे नाभिमुखागताम् कोपाद्मातो निशुम्भोत शूलं जग्राहदानवः आयातं मुष्टिपातेन देवी तच्चाभ्यचूर्णयत् आविद्यादगतां सोऽपि चिक्षेपचण्डिकां प्रति सापि देव्या त्रिशूलेन भिन्ना भस्मत्वमागता ततः परशुहस्तं तम् आयान्तं दैत्यपुङ्गवम् आहत्य देवी बाणौघैरपादयत भूतले तस्मिन् निपतिते भूमौ निशुम्भे भीमविक्रमे भ्रातर्यतीव संक्रुद्धः प्रययौ हन्तुमम्बिकाम् सरतस्तस्ततात्युच्चैर्गृहीत परमायुधैः भुजैरष्टाभिरतुलैः व्याप्याशेषं बभौ नवः तमायान्तं समालोक्य देवी शङ्खमवादयत् जाशब्दं चापि धनुषश्चकारातीव दुःसहम् पूरयामास खकुभो निजघण्टास्वनेन च समस्तदैत्यसैन्यानां तेजो वदविदायिना. There's only 21 left. Now these are all small chapters. We'll finish it in like 2 sessions.
When we are repeating, no, it's a little difficult. When you are explaining and we are doing it two lines, no, it's easy.
Okay.
When we are doing it all together.
You have to get it, no?
Yeah.
That is also a part of it.
Yeah.
You have to get the entire one. That is the reason I am reciting.
Yeah.
I am reciting along with you. That is the reason. So you like little struggle, but still you get it. You will arrive there. It is not long. Okay. Keep repeating it.
Yeah.
That is the only thing. Okay. Guru Pya Namaha.